light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency is incident on a photosensitive material. What will be the photoelectric current if the frequency is halved and the intensity is doubled? F0 is the threshold frequency and F1 is the frequency of the light which was initially incident on the photosensitive material. So according to the question, F1 is equal to 1.5 F0. The frequency of light is then halved. So F1 is then halved, which is 1.5 F0 upon 2. So this frequency F2 will be equal to 0.575 into F0. So in this condition, the incident light's frequency is lower than the threshold frequency. Therefore, there will be no photoelectric emission. Therefore, the photoelectric current will be equal to 0.